probability, the continuous probability distribution having the probability density function f of x given by f of x is equal to 1 divided by sigma into root 2 pi e power minus of x minus mu whole square divided by 2 into sigma square, where minus infinity less than x less than infinity, minus infinity less than mu less than infinity, and sigma is greater than 0 is known as normal distribution, Yes, next, mean. Formula of mean is mu. Variance is equal to sigma square. And one more, standard normal variate. Standard normal variate. This is equal to, this we will write it as a z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. And one more formula, phi of two pi integral 0 to z e power minus z square divided by 2 into dz. Yes, in that first one, integral minus infinity to infinity, phi of z dz is equal to 1. Second one, integral minus infinity to 0, phi of z dz is equal to integral 0 to infinity, phi of z dz is equal to 1 by 2. Next, third one, p of minus infinity less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity is equal to 1. Next, p of minus infinity less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0. This is equal to 1 by 2. Fifth one, p of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity, or p of z greater than or equal to 0 is equal to 1 by 2. Sixth one, p of minus infinity less than z less than z1 is equal to z1 is equal to p of minus infinity less than z less than or equal to 0 plus p of 0 less than or equal to z less than z1. So this one we can write it as a p of z less than z1 is equal to 0.5 plus phi of z1. Next, p of z greater than z2 that is P of Z greater than or equal to 0 minus P of 0 less than or equal to Z less than Z2. For this we can write P of Z greater than Z2 is equal to 0.5 minus phi of Z2 minus phi of Z2. Yes. First one, to find the area under the standard normal curve, standard normal curve between Z is equal to 0 and Z is equal to 1.55. So first we write the area formula. Area is equal to phi of Z is equal to 1 divided by 2 root of 2 pi. Here according to the formula we have 0 to Z e power minus Z square divided by 2 into dz. So here we can write 1 divided by root of 2 pi, 0 to here Z value we have 1.55 e power minus Z square by 2 into dz. So Z value we have here phi of 1.55. So we have to draw a graph here, not for all, only wherever they will ask to find out the area. So this is our graph. So here I write Z and this one as a phi of Z. Our curve, our curve, it will come like this, standard normal curve. So here they have given 0 to 1.5. I mark here somewhere. Here I mark 1.55. So 1.55. This is the area we have to find out, 0 to 1.5. Now, as I sent the table, you can refer the table here in this side. Yes. Here first term is 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 like that up to 3.0 we have. But in the middle you can see, if you are referring the table, please refer the table. You can see here 1.5. Yes, are you able to see that table which I have sent? Yes? Okay. Now,
Yes.
in the table, first we have 1.55. So, I just write this 1.55 as a 1.5 plus 0.05. 1.5 plus 0.05. When you add, again we will get 1.55. So, in the topmost, you can see 0.00, 0.01, 0.02 like that. We want here 0.05. So till 0.05 I just write. Yes, what 4394. So here we can write 0.4394. This is the one. According to the probability of the normal distribution, we can write therefore P of 0 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to 1.55, that is equal to phi of 1.55, that is equal to 0.4394, 0.4394. Standard normal curve, area of the standard normal curve between z is equal to minus 0.86 and z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. So here also first area is equal to 1 divided by root of 2 pi. Here minus is there, so minus 0.86 to 0 e power minus z square divided by 2 into dz. So that is equal to 1 divided by root of 2 pi according to the rule of the symmetric property 0 to 0.86 e power minus z square by 2 into dz. Here you can write by symmetric property. Symmetric property. So here we can write phi of 0.86. Phi of 0.86 is equal to, here how we have to see 0.8 plus 0.06. 0.3051. Here also standard normal curve, it will come here. I just mark somewhere here 0 minus 0.86 minus 0.86. The area between minus 0.86 to 0 is 0.03051. So according to the normal distribution probability value, we can write minus 0.86 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0, that is equal to 0.3051. Area of the standard normal curve, area of the standard normal curve between z is equal to minus 0.44 and z is equal to 1.76. So here also area is equal to 1 divided by root of 2 pi. So here lower limit minus 0.44 to 1.76 e power minus z square by 2 into dz. For this we can write 1 divided by root of 2 pi 0.40 minus 0.44 to 0 e power minus z square divided by 2 into dz plus 1 divided by root pi integral 0 to 1.76 e power minus z square divided by 2 into dz. By the rule of symmetric property, for this negative term we can write 0 to 0.44 e power minus z square divided by 2 into dz plus 1 divided by 2 root pi 0 to 1.76 e power minus z square by 2 into dz. So here we can write phi of 0.44 plus phi of 1.76. So find out the value. So I just mark here minus 0.44, here 1.76. So area between minus 0.44 to 1.76. So what is 0.1700? Next 4608. What is, yes, 0.6308. So we can write P of minus 0.44 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to 1.76 is 0.6308. 0.6308. Standard normal curve between Z is equal to 0.572, Z is equal to 2.49. So here we have to write area is equal to, first I will draw a graph for this one. So 0, here Z, here phi of Z. This is the standard. Actually it should be in the curvy shape as I am writing here. Yes, it is coming like that. It should be in the curvy. Yes. Here first one they asked here 0.57. I will mark here 0.57. Next one 2.49. Somewhere I will mark here. So the area we have to find between 0.57 to 2.49. First I will write area between 0 to 2.49 minus area between 0 to 0.57. So here I can write phi of 2.49 minus phi of 0.57. So 2.49 means 2.4 plus 0.09. Again 0.57 means 0.5 plus 0.07. So what is the 2157? What is 779? Yes. Probability of 0.57 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to 2.49 is equal to 0.2779. Next, fifth of the standard normal curve, area of the standard normal curve to the right of Z is equal to minus 1.96. So here also area is equal to, first I will draw a curve here. Here 0 Z phi of Z. Minus means somewhere here I will write minus 1.96. Draw a curve. It should draw a curve here. Yes. Now here we have to find the area right of Z is equal to minus 1.96. This is the area. So how we have to write that one? Area between Z is equal to minus 1.96 to 0 plus right of Z is equal to 0. So here we can write in the form. First we have to write this one as a area between Z is equal to 0 to 1.96 by using the symmetric property, plus area to the right of Z is equal to 0 means it will be in the form, we can use the formula here, p of minus infinity less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0. Here we can, that is the value 1 by 2. So we can write 0.5. So I write here 0.5. Now for this phi of 1.96 plus 0.5, 0.4750 plus 0.5. So we get 0.9750. So we can write P of z greater than or equal to minus 1.96 is equal to 0.9750. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following probabilities. Evaluate the following probabilities with the help of normal probability tables. With the help of normal probability tables. Yes, first one, P of z greater than or equal to 0.5. P of z greater than or equal to 0.85. Yes, which is the formula we are going to write here. Yes, we can write this formula z greater than z2. For greater than or equal to or greater than, for both we use the same formula. P of z greater than or equal to 0 minus P of 0 less than or equal to z less than z2 less than z2. So here I just write P of z greater than or equal to 0.85 is equal to P of z greater than or equal to 0 minus P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 8.5, because here they have mentioned only greater than. So here also they have mentioned only less than z2. If it is greater than or equal to, we can write less than or equal to 0.85. So again, for this P of z greater than or equal to 0, we have one standard value, that is 0.5. So we can write here 0.5 minus phi of 0.85, 0.3023. So what is the 1977? Like, write first formula, then we have to write the substitution part.